Hi friends, welcome to Modern Reviews. Today I'm just going to install a banister to banister child-proofing gate. We got we got this particular product from Summer, and you can see the the different parts of the product. Apparently, each and every staircase in the house is very unique and doesn't have to be all the time pretty straightforward as you see in the other videos. So our staircase got a little bit of difference in size and height and dimensions. So I will add some pictures showing how we're able to accomplish it in our house. I'm going to put in two sets, one at the downstairs and one at the upstairs. This is mainly because of our 11-month-old baby boy who's actually trying to climb up the stairs and climb down. So we just want to make sure that he is safe and with these kind of proofing equipments. So let's get to the video. I'm just going to get started and I'll show you step by step as pictures in the following video. Thank you. So according to our banister design, it was not a conventional model where you have a lot of space for us to get these, the side rod and the anchor to go in safely. So I have to make some compromise on the amount of space that's available. So it was kind of tight for me to get the ratchet for the strap to go in. Similarly, instead of the flat surface like how I used in the bottom, I wanted to use the flat for the top, but I did not have enough space for the zip tie ratchet to go on top. So I had to change it to a concave shape, a smaller one. Typically, you need to put a screw inside to anchor them securely. So we're going to get the door fixed right now. Hey folks, I think the mission is accomplished. He's not able to go inside. We were concerned about the small space here, whether you try to sneak in, but so far it's been a deterrent. Hope you liked the video. Please like us on the channel and see you soon with a new video. Thank you.